just not everyone's type. Apparently that is a really controversial take, and I get it. When people used to tell me that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, it used to make me so fucking mad, bro. Because it really doesn't take into account the fact that there are different beauty norms. And I have never once in my life fit the beauty norms. And if you don't, well, then you're just simply not treated the best. But here's the thing. Beauty really is in the eye of the beholder. Because even though there are societal norms of what's considered pretty, I'm not gonna fucking agree with all of those who are considered pretty because they may just not be my type. I'm sure I'm not the only one who thinks that Hollywood's it boys are kinda meh. It doesn't do anything for me. Like Brad Pitt. That doesn't mean that I'm gonna label him ugly or decide universally that everyone else should feel that he is ugly just because I think so. You know what I'm saying? So why couldn't you use that logic in reverse? Sure, maybe Shad from high school didn't find you fuckable enough, but why should that take away from the fact that Pete from Florida thinks you're fucking fired? So just keep that in mind the next time you're beating yourself up.